Hi guys, just a quick video on my infrared thermal gun or imaging gun. I use it for cooling systems or diagnosing cooling systems and various other things to see functionality, correct operation. Here I'm looking at a Volkswagen T3 Banagon and making sure that the radiator is flowing correct fluid, no cold spots. As you can see, the lower half gets warm first, then it goes up on the driver's side and it returns back on the passenger side. You do not need to use a thermal imaging gun like I have. You can use a regular infrared gun or a laser gun, whatever you want to call it. You can even use your hand just to put your hand across the radiator surface, the core, with the grills removed, and you can also detect hot and cold spots. The radiator fan switch is located at the bottom right hand corner, left hand side of the engine, or sorry, left hand side of the radiator, driver's side, when sitting in the driver's seat. And here you can see the fan coming on and the radiator cooling off again. So just a quick tip, this is definitely a quicker way to go, and it can be used to detect issues with various components.